Oh hey, welcome to another edition. Hand laid tracks and 3D printed trains with Socrates. Today we're looking at the Intermodal Magnetic Flat Car. It's got two magnets in the car, so each load has a magnet. Magnet clicks on, holds it in place, doesn't interfere with the other cars. You can load it up and unload it. And even got other things with a magnet in it. In this case, it's a coil rack. And also there's the full 40. Again, it's attached, but it's not like it's going to really hold it on. You could snap it and lose that in a heartbeat. So to install the magnets, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have established what is going to be polarity. So pick one way and stick with it. And if you're going to do another load, you add the magnet to an existing load, and then when you use that to install the magnet, you have to use a pause command in the slicer that'll cause the printer to pause for a moment and move the head to the side, and that allows you to put the magnets in place, and then you hit the click again. Each slicer is different, but the pause command that I use for simplicity is down below. Intermodal, 40 foot, 20 foot, easy to use, magnetic flat car. Available on Cults, you can print it yourself. They use the micro trains, medium shank, I guess long shank as well, but they're made for medium shank couplers. Have a little pin in them. They usually use the larger the pin, sometimes a smaller pin, depends on your printer. Work really well, you can remove them. And works pretty good. Get them on Cults, print yourself a car, intermodal, magnetic.